Menteri Rangba Kajalla Ukonrat ke sangma ula pentip ba kajing Khynra jong ka National Investigation Agency South Karo Hills kade kum shibynta jong ka jingtohkit halor ka jingbthei bom kabal jadang shen hadali. Kat kum ki jingtip bangila yoi kapan pau ba kane ka jing Khynra kala jah hakikat tu kat ni ki jaka. Ka NIA kadang persyang ban lomi ki jingtip bat kade ka jingtohkit ka badang ya syakman ong ukonrat haba banrap ba kamlong ka badai ban ya keren sani halor kani namar kade ka kam ka bayade bat kaji shangan jong kari. Ola banjur ru ya gaji ya trelang bapura na kalyang ka sorkar jalla ha ka bayade bat kane ka benta. Ngidan hangni ban ya trelang bat ki habaro kilyang ban aya kanu gaji ra bat jingkasyan badan kam. Kakam kalong ka bakya shibun bat ngihab ban kiar ban ngam jiliu halor kane ka phang ula banram. Habakali binia ya ki jaka ba penlong jing Khynra South Karo Hills, Menteri Rangba ola kentat ban jawab da ka baong bakala ban kata ya ki kam syong shangan. Ngam kwa ban penthut ha ka bayade bat ka jingtohkit da ka baya thu iki baro ulong. Halor ka jing shangan jong kanong ba shulong, ukonrat ulong ba ka jinglong jingman kaya perbak labak bat ka ditang ka jingpet binia bat benrap bakam dan satya kanu ka dawan syakting. Nalor kata ula kentaj ru halor kanu ka jingpha pet ngor ha Meghalaya da ka babanjur ba ka detang shibynta jong ka jingtohkit. Ki jingtohkit kidang ya syakmat ban nganam keren palat ya ka badan kam ban ya da ya ka jing shangan jong kari. Kam don kanu ka daw ban singukuslai ka detang ka benta jong ka jingtohkit ula banram.
So basically, as far as the information that we received, it's happening in multiple locations. And it's based on obviously certain areas which they are trying to find out more details and informations, and therefore it's an investigation that's going on linked to the obviously the bomb blast that took place in Delhi. So therefore, number one, it would be not correct for me to go into details of that investigation. What is the purpose of the visit? Because it is sensitive in nature and is to do with national security. So for us to talk about it in press would be incorrect. That's number one. Number two, all we want to say is that we are here to cooperate with them in every way possible, and we're cooperating to ensure that whatever support and help required will be done. So that's all we want to say. Apart from that, I think it's sensitive in nature in the sense that it's to do with national security, and we are all aware about the kind of incidents that have happened. Therefore, we'll refrain from going into details. But as I said, full cooperation is being given from the state side in whatever way possible to help in this investigation.
Only the place, if we can confirm, South Karo Hills, there are reports.
I don't want to. Again, as I said, it's sensitive in nature. I would be in one way compromising with the details. It is wrong because it's to do with national security. So I don't want to go into details.
But how safe is Shillong following this?
No. That's only it's completely different. It's to do with whatever the background check and everything. So we'll just leave it at that. There's nothing to do with any other thing. So I don't think there's any other issue that there was some kind of something happening or something. Nothing like that. It's basically part of the investigation.
But any alert for Meghalaya as a whole?
No. As I said, it's only an investigation. It's part of the investigation. Nothing more.
So,
then let the investigation happen.
Out of 5,
like I said, it's part of the investigation. So let that investigation happen. It's to do with the Delhi blast, and therefore the investigations are on. I don't want to comment on anything beyond that because it's a matter of national security, and I will be compromising that investigation if I were to spell out any more further details about that. But that's all it is. There's nothing to worry. It's part of the investigation process.